My son's name was Josh Manning.
Hey, Dad.
Meet me at the bell.
No, I got class.
A tragedy of this magnitude, absolutely heartbreaking.
Mr. Manning, have you spoken to any of the other parents?
If you want to act like Josh never existed, great. But make no mistake, you are hiding.
I saved this for you. Music was always you guys' thing.
The more that I know.
That song was awesome. There have to be others. Someone ought to play them. We could play them.
You're my sidekick. You're my alibi.
Think you guys could put together enough songs to play a full set?
Let there be music and let there be thrills.
You are a godsend. You know, what you doing for that boy?
Oh, God.
My son wrote all the songs.
Your boy wrote all that music. Well, what were you thinking?
Darkness, don't give way to light. I wish
You don't need those songs. You don't need me. Keep going.
Ao Som da Vida, 25 de abril às 21h30, no TVCine&HD.